Hi guys, so today I'm here to share with you some tips that helped me to lose weight. When I was a kid and pretty much all of my life, I was always a fat girl. I really like to eat a lot, I like sweets, I like food, so for me it was always really hard to figure it out how can I lose the weight. It was always like losing weight and then gaining back, losing weight and gaining back. So for me it was always a struggle until like 3 years ago, so I didn't know what to do. Eventually I came to this place that I was weighing like 90 kilos, which is crazy. In that point I realized that that's it, I can't be like this anymore. I need to change something, I need to change my life. It was hurting me in every single aspect in my life, so I decided to make a change, and I want to let you know that you can do it and I'm going to help you. So I want to share with you some of my tips that helped me to lose weight, and let's get started. So the main thing that really helped me to lose weight is understanding the concept of calories in, calories out. And what that means, it means that you need to eat less calories than you are burning. You need to be in a deficit of calories to lose weight. And how can you do it? You can do it by eating low calorie dense food. To find foods that will make you feel full, and also meals that have low calories. When you actually know how many calories you're eating in your food, you have the ability to make smarter decisions. Start looking at labels in the supermarket and learn about the calories that are in these foods. Then you will be able to make better decisions if you want to eat this food or you don't want to eat it. The next tip is find replacements for the foods that you like. Everything today you can find a lower calorie version. Cheese, meat or sweets, drinks, everything you can find in lower calorie version. You can eat the same foods that you're eating today, so look at the labels, look at the calories of the foods. You can always find a better choice for the same food. The next tip is find your weakest points related to food and try to find a solution. My biggest struggle is sweets. I really like sweets. I really like to eat them a lot, all the time. I can eat them all day long. So in the past I just avoided them and I would eat them in the weekends and then ruin all of my diet and just felt really bad about myself. But now I eat those sweets. I eat them. I just found ways to make them lower calorie. So I just went to YouTube and searched for recipes for low calorie desserts, and there's a lot of options for you. You can also check my other videos that I share of favorite desserts that help me satisfy this craving that I always have. I just can't stop. Don't think that healthy foods are good for weight loss. There are a lot of healthy foods that are not actually going to help you to lose weight. For example, nuts, avocado, healthy oils, a lot of foods that are considered healthy, but they are very high in calories. So if you're going to eat those, it will be very easy to eat a lot of calories and not feel full, and then it will be harder to lose weight. Next tip is exercise. Do cardio. Move as much as you can. It will help you to lose weight. You will burn more calories and then you will lose weight. That's simple. You need to be consistent. I know it's hard for some people and not everybody likes to do it, but I'm telling you, if you will do it every day just for 10 minutes or 20 minutes, eventually it will become a routine and you will start to enjoy it. Next tip is don't be hungry. Don't let yourself to get to the point that you are hungry. When you are hungry, you want to eat everything and you don't think. You think, oh, I didn't eat all day, so now I can eat whatever I want. No, because then you are going to eat too much, you're going to eat too many calories, and eventually you're going to gain weight and not lose weight, which is what we want, right? So if you're going to eat 3-4 times a day, you will stay full. You will not want to binge and eat everything you see. You need to be motivated and you need to be committed. You need to decide that this is what you want, this is the best thing that you can do for yourself. You need to invest in yourself, you need to put effort to make it happen. So you need to work for it. It will not happen just like this. You need to understand that and you need to be prepared for it. Next tip is patience. You need to understand that it's a process. It takes time. It will not happen overnight. You need to give it the time, because losing weight takes time. And the problem is that people, they don't see the change they want to see in themselves, so they give up. You need to put yourself in your mind that this is going to take time. So be patient. My next tip is something that I used to do when I was losing weight. I was taking pictures of myself every few days to see the progress. You can't see the progress every day. You look at yourself at the mirror and you look the same, right? You don't see any changes. But when you take pictures and you look at them after a few days, then you see, wow, there is a change. It will help you to stay motivated, and even those small changes and small results will keep you going. So eventually, again, it it comes to calories in, calories out. It's very easy to understand, and all you need to do is to learn to get more information, find new recipes that you like, find lower calorie replacements for those foods. You don't need to suffer to lose weight. You can eat the things that you like and still lose weight. This is why it's a lifestyle and it's not a diet. This is why you will keep going when you get your goal, because you like the way you eat, you like the things that you eat. Let me know if you want to see ideas for foods that you can eat, if you want to see what I eat in a day, maybe give you some ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.